MrBeast just said most creators will be completely broke in 5 years because of AI. But here's the scary part. He's not warning you. He's already quietly building his own AI army to crush everyone else. It's brutal. Today I'm going to show you exactly why 95% of creators are about to get wiped out in the AI era, and the tiny group who will make 10 times more money than ever before. Let's be real. Most of you watching this are in that 95%. The good news? You don't have to be, but only if you stop doing what literally everyone else is doing right now. See, right now thousands of creators are celebrating because they just made their first faceless AI video that got 1 million views. Feels amazing, right? Wrong. That 1,000,000-view video just signed your death sentence. Because in 2026, that same video will be made in 11 seconds by any 12-year-old with a phone, and it will look 10 times better. Shocking stat. Midjourney already went from 0 to 2 million paying users in under 9 months. Runway is growing even faster. Suno and Udio are pumping out radio-ready songs in minutes. So what happens when every tool is 100 times better and literally free? Simple. Attention collapses to 0 unless you have something AI can't copy. And 99% of creators have 0 of that right now. Think about it. If your entire channel is reaction videos, top 10 lists, Reddit stories, gaming highlights, or motivational edits with AI voice, you're already dead. You just don't know the funeral date yet. Even big creators are terrified. Look at Casey Neistat. The guy literally invented daily vlogging. He just said he's scared AI will make storytelling irrelevant. If Casey is scared, what chance do you have copying his old style? 0. So why will most creators fail? Let me give you the 4 brutal reasons. Reason 1. They're building on rented land that's about to burn. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they all want AI content now because it keeps people scrolling forever. The algorithm is already pushing faceless AI channels harder than humans. Your pretty face? Doesn't matter anymore. Your personality? AI will fake it better in 2026. Reason 2. They're competing with infinity. Right now, one creator can make 1 video a day. With AI agents, one creator can make 1,000 videos a day, perfectly optimized, perfectly SEO'd, in every language. You can't outwork infinity. Reason 3. They have no moat. A moat is something impossible to copy. Most creators' only moat right now is, I showed up first. AI doesn't care about first. AI doesn't sleep. Your only real moat left is you, the messy, weird, human version of you that no model can ever clone perfectly. Reason 4. They're thinking like employees, not like owners. They ask, how do I use AI to make content faster? Winners ask, how do I use AI to build an empire no one can take from me? Huge difference. So who actually wins in the AI era? The creators who flip the script completely. Here are the 5 rules the future millionaires are following right now, while everyone else panics. Rule 1. Become undeniably human. The more AI floods the feed, the more people will pay insane money for real humans. Real stories, real failures, real time with you. Post your face, post your voice, post your weird opinions. Be the one thing AI can't fake, a real soul. Rule 2. Build your own data moat. Every comment, every DM, every live stream chat, that's gold. The winners are training custom AI models on their own audience voice, so their AI content still feels exactly like them. MrBeast is already doing this. You should too, before it's too late. Rule 3. Turn AI into your employee army, not your replacement. Don't use AI to make the final video. Use AI to brainstorm 500 ideas, write 50 scripts, edit 50 thumbnails, translate into 20 languages. Then you pick the winner and press record. You stay the CEO, AI stays the intern. Rule 4. Own the distribution. Stop praying to the algorithm gods. Build an email list. Build a community. Build a membership. The algorithm can kill your channel overnight. Your email list? Untouchable. Rule 5. Create experiences, not content. Content is infinite. Experiences are scarce. Live events, merch drops, group coaching, in-person meetups, custom songs for fans. That's the new game. AI can't hug your fans in a hotel lobby. You can. Look, the AI wave is coming whether you like it or not. Most creators will drown because they're too busy racing to the bottom with cheap AI slop. But a small group, maybe even you, will ride this wave to heights nobody thought possible. The choice is simple. Keep making faceless AI garbage and disappear in 24 months, or start building the only thing that survives the AI era, a real, unbreakable human brand. Your move. So tell me in the comments, are you scared of AI destroying your channel? Or are you ready to become unstoppable because of it? Drop a like if you're choosing to win, and I'll see you in the next one. The real ones don't survive the AI era. They dominate it.